This is my Premiere Pro workflow. Let's make a video together. I thought it might be valuable to see the process of creating a video from start to finish in Premiere Pro, so here it is. To start with, I've brought all my files in. They're the ones underneath my face here. I'll move my face up so you can see them. To create the first sequence, I'll usually just drag my animated intro onto the timeline. I'll then rename the sequence the title of the video. I'll create a source folder for the rest of the files. Drag them in. I'll bring my face back down now. We don't really need to see that part of the screen. I'll open the source folder. My animated intro is 10 seconds in case I need to use more than 5, but in this case I don't, so I'm going to drag that back down to 5. I'm going to move it out of the way and make space for my spoken intro. First thing I'm going to do is go to the audio tab, go to dialogue, and go to the preset podcast voice. Then I'll go to the color tab and change anything that I think needs changing. Now I'll trim this. I'll go back to my editing panel and add my next clip. I'll do the same with the audio. And go back to editing again. Now I'll edit out any pauses or retakes. Okay, so on this line, my voice went funny, so I redid it. Okay, that's that clip done. Now I want to add my outro. Drag that on. I'm going to go to the first clip, right click it, go to copy, and then paste that onto my outro. Paste attributes, actually. Now I find that the audio doesn't always work, so I'm going to go back to audio and reset that. And back to the editing window. Trim this. Finally, I'll add my intro again at the end. I'll usually add my music in YouTube, but at the moment it's a bit broken, so I've downloaded a track from there and I'm going to add that to this. Just drag it on. Trim it. Check the volumes. Far too loud. Click on it. Reduce the volume level. Let's try -20. That's probably fine. It's just going to be a little bit of quiet background music anyway. I usually make sure I don't have any popping noises at the beginning or end of clips. Let me just bring myself up here again. And if I do have any, I will go to constant gain and just add that at the end. Sometimes there's one here. And that's it. Then we export. Just go to the export window, choose your settings, do whatever you got to do. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. If you did, subscribe.